Good morning, children. Today we are going to do addition activity. Add with your fingers.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Are you ready?
Ready. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7. 4 plus 3 equal to 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3.
Count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5 plus 3 equal to 8.
Very good.
5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5 plus 4 equal to 9.
Very good.
2. 1, 2 plus 2. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4.
2 plus 2
2 plus 2 equal to 4.
first.
5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Plus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Plus 3. 1, 2, 3.
Count.
Equal to
Count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Equal to 9. 6 plus 3 equal to 9. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7. Plus 3. 1, 2, 3.
Count.
7.
Count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 7 plus 3 equal to 10. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 plus 2. 1, 2.
Count. Count. Fingers count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 8 plus 2 equal to 10. 1, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 plus 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 6 plus 2 equal to 8. 1, 2
Plus.
plus 3.
3 open. Count.
1, 2, 3.
Count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Right.
4.
Open 4 fingers.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Plus.
Plus 2.
2 fingers open.
1, 2, 2.
Count. Fingers count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Right. Very good.
2,
Open 2 fingers. Count.
Three. 1, 2, 3.
Count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Equal to 5.
3. 2 plus 3 equal to?
5.
Go.
3. 1, 2, 3. Press
3.
3. 1, 2, 3.
Now count. Fingers count.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Go.
1, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Right 8.
4 plus 2, 4 equal to
8.
8. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 4 plus 5 equal to 9. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 plus 2. 1, 2.
Count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 plus 2 equal to 6.
1, 2. Count.
1, 2,
3.
4. 4. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 plus 3. 1, 2, 3.
Count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Right.
5 plus 3 equal to 8.
Go.
1, 2. 1, 2.
Plus.
1, 2, 3.
Count.
1, 2,
3.
4, 5. 5.
2 plus 3
2 plus 3
equal to?
equal to 1, 2, 3. 1, 2.
Count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
3 plus 2 equal to?
3 plus 2
Equal to?
equal to 5.
Very good. Go.
2
Open 2 fingers. Count.
plus 3. 1, 2, 3.
Count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Equal to 5.
3. 2 plus 3 equal to?
5.